Hello everyone. In today's masterclass, we're diving into one of the most powerful features of Microsoft Teams, the channel tabs. So if you're looking to boost the productivity and streamline the workflow for your team, then this is for you. Channel tabs are located at the top of every channel in Teams. Tabs provide quick and easy access to your team's most used tools, services and files. There are always two static tabs which exist in every channel. These are called posts and files. But in this masterclass, we will look at the additional tabs that you can add to support the creation of highly configurable workspaces for your team, because that is what a channel can become. Adding a tab is incredibly simple. Just click the plus icon and select the type of tab that you would want to add. If you can't see the tab here, then click See All and you get far more options. And we'll explore some of these shortly. If we think about different use cases for tabs, then it could be that we want to pin a specific document that our team always need to reference as a tab. It could be we want to pin an external website that the team again need to reference. Or it could be we want to pin another Microsoft 365 resource. So let's just look at a couple of these. So as this is a project team that I'm looking at here, one of the key things that the team probably want to access is the project plan. Now, if you're using Planner, then it's already integrated into Teams, as you can see here. And if we click Planner, then we can see the plan that relates to this project. The project's called Mark 9, which is great. But wouldn't it be much easier if I didn't have to leave my channel and I could just open the plan where I am? So we can do that. So let's go back to our channel. So here we are, we're in the planning channel of the Mark 9 project team. So I'll click the Add a Tab and we'll select Planner. And we won't post, but you can do just to let people know you've added the tab. We click Save. And we're going to add an existing plan because, as we saw a minute ago, the plan for this project already exists. So there it is. We've got the Mark 9 project plan and we're going to add that to the channel. So look at that. We've now got posts, files, and we've got the project plan. So now my team, they can work on the documents, they can chat and communicate, but if they quickly need to reference the project plan, it's there and available to them. So the other use case we talked about was maybe there's a particular document that the team always need to access. And obviously, we've not got many documents here, but you would expect a project over time that it accumulates lots of folders and documents in folders. And the particular document the team might want to access could be buried quite deep in that folder structure. In this instance, the document we want to reference is the product launch document. This is what this project's all about. So I'm just going to select that. And I now get this option, make this a tab. And there we go, it's now a tab. So if I go back to my posts and I want to quickly reference the product launch document, then here it is, it's open straight away. Now I want to move back to the project plan because I need to update it, or now I want to go back to my documents. I'm not leaving my channel. So as you can see, tabs in Microsoft Teams channels offer incredible flexibility and convenience, helping you and your team stay organized and efficient. Why not give it a try and experience the difference it can make to your daily workflow? Thank you for watching this masterclass and happy team.